My name's Ryan. I'm about 41 years old. I live in the city of Florence. I'm a former Air Force tech sergeant, and I've owned this house for about 15 years. The house, as far as I know, was built around 1972. The siding in the back of the addition to the house, it was getting very, very old and rotting. And I happened to notice the roof. It just decided, okay, I need to get these two done pronto. I thought the pricing was very fair. Install took just about a full day, and the siding took a little bit longer, about a couple days, because they actually found that some of my frame in the back was actually rotting a little bit, so they had to take the time to, reframe that and get everything put back in place. They let me know about everything that was going on. I know the roof up there, they had to replace some plywood. They let me know how much they were going to have to replace. Same thing with the siding. Hey, at least they got it fixed. I'm absolutely happy with the final product. I said the roof looks great, the siding looks fantastic, it looks better than it has been in years, shall we say. An absolute refresh that needed to happen pronto. I would recommend it. They were very supportive. They let me know about everything, options available, let me know if there was any setbacks, and that I'm happy about it.